Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will talk about a very common and the bothering infection called the fungal infection, which is caused by the fungus and it appears as a red patches on the body parts. It especially occurs on the folded areas like groins, inner thighs, buttocks, genital areas, armpits, where the sweating is appear in the large amounts, right? Then from these folded parts the infection can spread to the hands, legs and even the face. Some are having this infection because of the unhealthy hygiene, while nowadays it is being seen that the person is having an infection in spite of living a good hygienic and a good lifestyle. So why is this occurring? So the fungal infection is spreading via two ways, is direct and the indirect. Direct એટલે કે આપણા બોડીમાં present છે because of the unhealthy lifestyle, right? And the indirect is that we are sharing our clothes, soap and the towel with the person who is already infected with the fungal infection, right? Even the pet like dog, cat can also spread this infection. So what to do once you get this infection? Number one, try to wear the loose garments like trousers. Avoid wearing jeans and leggings. I mean to say tight one, because jeans are the thing which is not washed daily and it takes much time to take dry, so it becomes the recurrent source of the infection. Secondly, try to wash your clothes in the hot water and completely dry them under the sunlight. If it is not dried, then iron the clothes as well as the undergarments, because fungus are the thing which grows mainly in the moist environment. Thirdly, do not share your clothes, towel and the soap with the other family members, and I would say to prefer the shower gel if you are living in the house where the sharing is much. Fourth is vacuuming and cleaning of the house at a regular interval. What are the symptoms of the fungal infection? So the symptom starts with the severe itching, which will lead to the red patches. They are circular in form, so they are called as the ringworm. In the folded areas, it will not seem like a circular, but they are ringworm. Don't scratch the affected part because this will spread the infection. Apply the powder, lotion or the cream, whatever is prescribed by the doctor. Keep the parts dry, as the fungus are already present on our body normally only. But if the part starts to remain moist, it starts to infect. And in men who wears socks and the female, especially housewife who washes clothes, utensils and remains in the water for the long time, are mostly infected by the fungus. Thirdly, it can also happen because of the friction. Because of the obesity, both thighs gets rubbed with each other, which will lead to the fungal infection. Remember this. So in some patient, you will see that this infection is occurring recurrently. Now, what is the cause of this infection occurring recurrently? So first is the poor personal hygiene. Second is the sweaty or the oily skin are more prone to get this infection. Third is the humid climate. And the fourth is the inappropriate treatment. This is very important cause. It means that the patient is taking the medicine or the ointment from the medical store instead of the doctor. Now medical store wala bhaiya doesn't know that what is your past history and how depth is your infection. So it is very important to consult the doctor, because he will diagnose properly and know how depth your infection is, and then he will prescribe you the medicine, right? The last is the inadequate treatment. It means doctor is saying you to take the medicine for the 3 months, and after 14 to 15 days you decide by yourself that now I don't need the medicine, I am okay. Please do not do this. Do not leave your treatment midway, because it is necessary to complete the course of treatment to eradicate the disease completely. Okay? Thanks for watching.